and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Father Angel Fernandez Arteme visited the CESAMDF Salesian Center for Adolescent Worker of the Federal District to meet and encourage educators. The youth center, managed by Salesians of the San Giovanni Bosco Inspectorate (ISJB), promotes initiatives to ensure the rights of adolescents and young people, as well as fighting child labor, reducing the dropout rate. Encourage the youth, lead and promote supportive activities, and strengthening family bonds. The Salesian province of the Western United States celebrated the first profession of two young Salesians, Michael Nguyen and Thomas Nguyen, who made their first vows as Salesian during the Holy Mass presided over by Father Meltrinidad SDB, SUO Provincial last August 15th. In the presence of family, friends and members of the Salesian family, Michael and Thomas expressed their commitment to the youth and the poor, saying yes to the Salesian vocation. Last August 15, solemnity of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary, 10 AGL novices made their first profession as Salesians of Don Bosco, while another Salesian made his perpetual profession. In his same Eucharistic celebration, 4 novices of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians of the East Africa province made their first religious profession, and 1 Salesian sister made perpetual profession. The Eucharistic celebration was presided over by Father Pierre Cleston Nguboka, Superior of the Africa Great Lakes Vice Province. Last August 14, over 230 young people from different church communities participated in the first Parish Youth Day organized by the SYM of the Southern Philippines and the Youth Ministry of Sacred Heart of Jesus Parish in Mati. The event was held at the Don Bosco Compound Center in the Dahican neighborhood of Mati. One of the day's highlights was a talk by Father Emmanuel T. Gakayan, SDP, pastoral animator of the Don Bosco Training Center in Mati, on Salesian youth spirituality. In the afternoon, before the concluding Mass, the youth took part in numerous activities and games. With the motto, "With the strength of love, all things are possible," the Salesian province of St. Luke of Venezuela, through the Youth Ministry and the Commission of Oratories and Youth Centers, is reaching out to 8,000 young people during this vacation season. About 120 activities aimed at children, adolescents and youth are planned for the month of August. The offerings include more than 80 oratories, youth formation activities and educational workshops based on faith education itineraries designed specifically for the spiritual and pastoral care of the young people. The goal is to continue to accompany youth people in an educational and evangelizing way. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.